This vehicle has encountered an issue with the turbo. Let's explore the possible reasons and solutions to restore it to its previous condition. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you can subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Based on the client's concern, they mentioned hearing something from the turbo area. It's possible that there are signs of damage in the turbo, so we removed and opened it. We found that the turbo had consumed a significant amount of oil, leading to its oil depletion. Additionally, the turbo's impeller was also broken, so we replaced it with a new one. The turbo impeller could indeed be a contributing factor, as it appears to be one of the reasons for the issue. Yes, the turbo impeller plays a crucial role in enhancing the performance of the Isuzu Trooper's engine by compressing air for improved combustion, resulting in increased power and efficiency. Ensuring the proper functioning of the turbo impeller is important for optimal vehicle performance. Now let's fix the issue and let's see if it's worked. The Isuzu Trooper restoration team has already dismantled the turbo parts and will replace them with new ones. After the replacement, we also changed the hoses from the turbo and those leading to the intercooler. Before that, we'll reinstall the turbo once it's fixed.
Personado na katabayabas ang ating sa bayabas. Up. An? Magbabalik na. Basta lang. Pinalitan namin yung mouse niya. Tandaan. Ginawa namin. Oh.
After about half an hour, we're almost done fixing the turbo. We'll soon attach it and test its power. If you like this video, feel free to comment in our comment section. If you want to have your vehicle serviced at home or here in our shop, just contact the Isuzu Trooper restoration page. Thank you very much for the support. The installation of the turbo is now complete. As the next step, it's essential to conduct a thorough diagnostic check to ensure that all components are functioning optimally. Additionally, we need to address any remaining oil residues within the exhaust system. This involves a process of controlled burning to eliminate the lingering oil particles, ultimately reducing the occurrence of white smoke. This meticulous attention to detail will contribute to the overall performance and longevity of the Isuzu Trooper's turbocharged system.
Balik ko yung original na may tuban eh.
gram ng malaki oh. Yung sa
We recommend using Hato Atomic Oil 5W30 for your Isuzu Trooper with the 4JX1 engine, as it offers enhanced engine protection, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced wear. Hato Atomic Oil 5W30 is designed to provide enhanced engine protection, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced wear. In an Isuzu Trooper with a 4JX1 engine, using this oil may contribute to smoother engine operation, better cold start performance, and increased overall engine longevity. The 5W30 viscosity is suitable for a range of temperatures and helps maintain proper lubrication even in colder conditions. Always refer to the specific recommendations in your vehicle's manual for the most accurate information tailored to your Isuzu Trooper's engine.
oh. Huwag na. Right.
Now that everything is done, you can start the vehicle and check its power. Since this area is a mountainous terrain, the videographer and Sir Marvin, our client, will be going off-road, in other words, navigating paths with extremely steep inclines for the vehicle to climb. So, at this point, we are engaged in a thorough process to eliminate the oil residues from the exhaust system. Given that the oil has accumulated within the exhaust, it necessitates a continuous heating and cooking of the exhaust components. The objective is to raise the temperature sufficiently to facilitate the evaporation and removal of the oil deposits embedded within the exhaust system. This meticulous procedure is crucial to ensure a clean and efficient exhaust, promoting optimal engine performance and minimizing the potential for any residual oil-related issues.
Na, mali tayo nakita.
Ha?
Ano magagalit dito?
Turo mo muna yung ano. Hindi ko rin.
So, if you're observing an excessive thickness of smoke due to the abundance of oil that has entered the exhaust, and not only that, a significant amount of oil is being expelled from the exhaust, that indicates a gradual elimination of oil from the exhaust, and the resulting white smoke is a consequence of this process.
Nyawag dyan, pagkatunog ka lang dahil.
Oo. Wala. Download test nga namin eh.
Test ko na yan, bumalik na lahat ng power niyan.
Oo.
Maraming na walang langis, wala nang matupag na dipstick eh. Lahat ng langis na yun, pumunta lahat sa exhaust yun.
Kaya mausok.
Diretso. Oo, malog yung turbo, lahat ng langis pumunta sa exhaust.
Full eh.
Napuputol?
Oo.
Lakas yan, kaya pala wala nang matupag.
Full yung ano eh. Turbo eh. Yung...
Napuputol mismo yung impeller.
Oo. Ayun.
Ano pag ginagamit mo lang eh?
10W30. Bago nga naputok ka, papalitan lang isin eh.
Naka-chaser mo, bago naputol.
Oo. Ganda ba? Nakita nga lang yung mga galon eh. Ganda ba yung traffic? Tingnan ko doon sa ano yung power niya.
Yung power niya, hindi, ayun na, babalik na lahat niya.
Oo.
Kasi, i-estimate yun lang ako kung walang yan. Bakit ako kung
Saka narinig ko na rin yun eh, yung parang sumasayat.
nag-i-stand lang. Nag-i-stand lang.
Saka yung pag umaga puti, puso.
Kung nag-i-stand ka na rin,
Kaso na siya.
start na niya.
Kasi na putol, no? Tingnan ko doon sa packet.
Video kita na.
Wala pa eh.
Ayan mo, kapalang ko. Darating siya dito mamaya.
Oo. Tingnan mo, sagad yung presyo ng ano.
Ano yun? May sasagot ko ba?
Ano?
Mamaya mataas naman.
Hindi, yung mga tatasan. Wala. Hindi na may sasagad yun. At kasi isang effort, doon ako nag-ano eh.
Tapos yung mga
Oo, doon.
may brand ang specify mo.
Oo, kasi pag nag-ano siya, specify ko lahat. Oo, ito nga. Inaano ka sa mga pataas eh. Inaano ko sa mga pataas.
Naman yung mga tao na yan.
Oo. Wala, ang lamig.
Nangis na pumunta sa exhaust ko sir. Parang bagay na sir. Ganda mo po. Market din.
Pangalan mo sir?
Ayun yung akin yung Sir Marvin. Yung nagmamaneho. Anong bundok? Labak-labak pa. Ganito kalakas yung overdrive. Ito bumakit ng dito.
Dito pa nga ako rito.
Huminto ka dito naman sir.
Ah.
Huminto ka naman dito.
Oo, yan.
Ayan, huminto na nga si sir oh. Taas niyan guys.
Dito nga ako rito eh. Dahil nga dati ang dami. Dati ang dami natin dyan, no? Kumakahon ako, umulan.